please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to AmazingWomensWorld. In my earlier video, I have designed on this simple blouse to convert into designer blouse, but this pattern is also looking so simple and few of them also commented the same. So I thought of giving an extension, that means expanding this design using the beads work in this leftover space. So here I'm gonna use 2 mm gold metallic beads along with the sugar bead. I'd be inserting like sugar bead, metallic bead along with the sugar bead. 3 I'd be inserting at a time and giving the stitch for the joining of these beads in this way. We have to give an invisible stitches on, so the leftover space is completely sufficient for me for giving the beads joining. The making of an earlier video, the link I have given in the iCard, also in the description box. If you haven't watched this video, please check out once because I would be skipping here. Half of the design is already done and the leftover I'll be giving the expansion with the beads joining like this. This is so simple and really it worked out for me. It is looking very unique, and once the beads joining is done, this is how it looks. And on this leftover space also I had given the beads joining to create the booty look. That I'll show you here on the leftover space. It's just so simple. I had inserted 3 at a time, that means the sugar bead, metallic bead and the sugar bead. This is how we have to insert at a time. On this leftover space we have to join it. The same border I'll be creating on this waistline towards the back side of the blouse, and once completed the blouse would look like this. The beautiful designing on the sleeves with the neckline. Really my simple blouse has turned into designer blouse. Hope sharing of this idea is really useful to all. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. The completed blouse on the waistline with the sleeves opening and the complete makeover of this beautiful blouse is here. I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to AmazingWomensWorld channel. Stay tuned to watch more.